YouTube, I am back with a brand new banger. Here today I'm going to be unboxing my Inferno tees that I got from the most recentest drop from the artist collabs. So Renz did a collab with Ski Mask, the Slump God, for his track Burn the Hoods. Now they dropped some hoodies with the Confederate flag on the back of them burning, and it had like a picture of Ski in the Revenge jersey. Now I thought that the hoodies were dope, but I really don't see myself really wanting to rock the Confederate flag. So they had a couple of tees, and it just was the basic, Revenge font. But these were like flame tees. They dropped a red one and a blue one, so I copped both of them, and here today I'm going to be talking about them. Now these tees are pretty much your average Revenge tees, and they fit pretty true to size. It's not like an oversized fit. I bought one of them as like a XL, and I bought one of them as like a large, just to compare the two. And I think I like the way the XL fits a little bit more, just because I like my shirts to be a little bit more baggier. But I really just enjoy the print overall, and these tees are super awesome, man, and they are a great piece, and I don't regret buying them. I know some people were like, oh, they were mid, but that's usually what Reddit says about anything. It's like, oh, it's mid, it's mid, it's mid, it's mid, it's mid, and all this and that, complaining. But these tees are super sick, and I just enjoy wearing them. I wear them out pretty much whenever I'm going out to the store or stuff like that, or going to work one day. And they're just really overall just great t-shirts as far as like the quality goes. Like the blanks that they use, they come with all the tags that you would expect Revenge to come with, the wash tags and different things like that. And these came in, I want to say, about 3 to 4 weeks after the drop and everything, which I wasn't mad. I understand that, stuff is going on in life, and things are happening in the world, and you're not going to get your packages as quickly as possible. But I've been having some pretty good luck with my shipping. Now, I want to say it took me no less than around 5 minutes at least. Yep, well, nope, it was actually 2 minutes. 2 minutes to cop everything. And this is like where the weird part comes in. So the drop was supposed to happen at a specific time, and something weird happened where they claimed that Ski Mask was asleep, or someone fell asleep, and that pushed the drop back. So we get to like an hour after the drop is supposed to happen. The drop finally happens. Garrett lies to everyone and says, oh, everyone's gonna get a beach ball with their orders if they order within the first, what did he say? I don't know, the first couple orders, the couple hundred orders or whatever. But long story short, nobody got those fucking beach balls. The shit got shipped out fucking months afterwards, and you forgot everything you fucking said about that shit. And I was pretty upset because I was just like, oh man, my fucking heart was broken. I was expecting a beach ball because I fucking ordered that shit within 2 minutes. Like, it took me just to get the shit in my cart, check out both tees, done. But that didn't go the way that I planned on it going, and yeah. At least I got the tees. I'm not complaining about the beach ball, but it's just like, you told us that we were getting these things, these items with our items, and it kind of sucks that we didn't. But I'm not complaining. It's whatever. Now, there's been a lot going on with Revenge and their shipping. I mean, like almost like every day I see them posting shipping posts on their Instagram, or just like them with like thousands of orders that they're sending out. And I mean, they are really sending out orders like left and right. Like, people are getting their stuff, which is a good thing. And let's just hope that they can get everyone's items who has been waiting for the longest to finally get those items shipped out so we can finally have another drop, which I am really hoping that those embroidered pants drop, because I definitely need a pair of those. And I just really look forward to all the future things that we have coming from Revenge. We're always seeing like leak images and different things like that from their stories of like their upcoming products. Like I've been seeing them advertising like basketballs and just like different stuff that they're doing, like Vans now. And it should be an interesting year for Revenge next year. And I don't know if we're gonna get another drop by the end of this year. I think the Playboy drop was the last drop for this year, which I'm be fine with. But yeah, I really would like to see one more drop before the year is over, but I'm not complaining. And I want to say thanks for everyone watching all the other videos, like my Playboy hoodie video that I just uploaded, and also my workwear jacket that I just uploaded not too long ago, the previous drop from July. I have my Juice WRLD hoodie I'm going to be reviewing next, and I also got some Juice WRLD V-Lone pieces and different things like that from FTP. I'm going to be uploading a bunch of different content, but it's all going to be clothing and unboxing related. And I want to say thanks for all the support, and just hit me up if you have any questions. And honestly, I really want to say thank you, because I didn't expect anybody to watch those videos of me unboxing Revenge, but apparently people wanted to see that. So thanks again for the couple hundred views. I appreciate every view, every like, every type of response or feedback really helps the channel grow, and it really just helps these videos get out to certain people. So thanks for all your support. Peace out, you guys. Have a great day.